Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Morales Outdoors. Thank you for joining. Today's video is going to be at a Jamaica Pond, and I am using the whopper plopper for bass. Stay all the way to the end where I announce where the next fishing video is coming out of. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a good day. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We are back at Jamaica Pond, and I'm going to use some top waters and see if we can get some bass. Just tying this lure on right now. I'm using the whopper plopper here. This is a used up whopper plopper here, guys. I've caught a lot of bass with this one. I'm going to see if I can catch some more here. We got a 20-pound braid on here. Got that knot nice and locked on there. Now we're gonna cut the tag in. All right, guys, 9:32 a.m. It is Sunday. First cast of the day. We're just going to work this whopper plopper all over this pond. That's usually really good working from perpendicular to the shore, the edges, fishing the shallow water, looking for bass that are chasing bluegills or other fish is usually the best way to use this lure around structure when you can find it. On top of weeds. We've had a lot of rain the last couple of weeks. We've only had a couple of windows to fish. Today's no exception. Today's going to be the same. We have until close to 2 o'clock before we start getting rain again. As you can see, it's really cloudy out here. Got a huge cast on that bad boy. See if anything jumps out and smacks this bad boy. That's the nice thing about fishing. You come out here, your anticipation of catching a fish. You're not just out here casting and waiting. If you have that anticipation of getting that strike, that hit, you're going to spend more time out here. You're going to fish more thoroughly. You're going to fish with the actual mission. You know, you'll search and search and search and not get tired of it because you're anticipating it. When you're always anticipating something to happen, it's much more fun. So you got to have that mindset that you're always going to hit something with each cast, because I definitely do. Put the pack on, and we're gonna get our walk on. Put the pack on, get your walk on. Put your pack on, get your walk on. We got these trees we got to work around, but there's some good weeds over here, guys. Spread apart really nice. Looks like it would hold up some fish comfortably where they can see a little further and prepare an ambush. It's not real super thick. I'm just gonna, after every reel in, the only thing I'm gonna have to do is keep doing this, you know? Fishy, come on, fishy. Come on, big bass. This isn't a spot where a lot of people are gonna wanna cast. First of all, you got all these weeds right here that they're gonna keep getting hung up on. They can't cast out that far to make it worth it. The trees are in the way. A lot of people are weary about getting their stuff caught in the trees. I mean, I am too, but I mean, nobody likes to lose a lure, but just got to be careful, and sometimes stuff happens. My recommendation, guys, see the conditions of the water, what you're fishing for, and have a plan and stick to it. Don't come out here, fish a 100-yard area and change lures. Fish the one lure that you feel confident about and fish it all over. Go everywhere and fish it. And then once you fish everywhere that you intend to fish and you've exhausted your, you know, you exhausted the tries on trying to catch something with that, then change it. But other than that, like me, even if I don't catch nothing, I'll use this lure around the entire lake. And if I don't catch nothing that day, then I'll come back another day, depending on what the conditions are. I'm gonna base my decision off of that and fish that way. Whether it's a drop shot, whether it's a suspended jerk bait, you know, whatever I'm gonna fish it everywhere. I'm not gonna switch my lures. I mean, if I was using sonar and I knew fish were holding, then that's different. You know what I mean? But we're not using sonar. We're fishing blindly here. And when you fish blindly, you just have to have a game plan, and you got to stick to it and work it. You guys anticipating that strike with me? Waiting for it? You guys anticipating it? Are you ready for it? Keep watching. Top water explosion. That's what I'm waiting for. Come on. Oh, got a fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Good fish, guys. Good fish, guys. All right. Oh. He went right down into those weeds, so I got some weeds too, I'm sure of it. All right. Good bass. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that.
Yeah, beautiful.
How you doing?
How you doing? Okay.
Look at that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Beautiful bass.
Oh. Good.
Off the whopper plopper. I knew it was bound to happen. We'll get a quick picture of this guy and let him go.
Bass, huh?
Yeah, yup. Largemouth bass right here at Jamaica Plain. We're gonna let this bad boy go. Hey guys, I hope you really enjoyed that topwater bass action. I really appreciate you guys joining. If you haven't done so, please subscribe, hit that like button, it helps me out. I am almost to 1,000 subscribers, so if you haven't done so, please subscribe. All the items that I've used in this video If available on Amazon, I will put those in the links so that you can get them and try them as well. Thanks again, and the next video we have coming, I'm going to be meeting up with MZA Fishing. He's a local here in Boston who's starting a YouTube channel. So we're going to do a collaboration together. We're going to go to the Charles River and we're going to go after some catfish. I really hope you guys join us for that next video. Until next time, stay tuned and we'll talk to you later.